today's episode of Will It Run. We have an old Bear Tracker 250 quad that hasn't run for about 4 years. The throttle's totally stuck, the cable, so we're just looking to pull that here, give the carby a proper clean through, and if we're lucky that'll work. An interesting situation here where it looks like the air intake isn't actually properly bonded to that.
Probably still use one underneath it.
So that's a bit of an issue. Got a happy place?
Sort of.
So Ben is just going to pull that end of the throttle cable off, hopefully.
They'll be saying, why aren't you using a screwdriver?
Yeah, because we don't have one. Right in the middle of nowhere. Butt fuck nowhere.
Yeah.
Charming. So I wonder if that's what's actually frozen.
The seal's intact.
Yeah, that's what's seized. The cable's nice and loose. Well, that's encouraging. Right. So it must have gotten some water in there and seized up and corrosion gland. So we can spray that side with some Lanox. Go and grab some Lanox.
Reckon it's magic?
I reckon it's magic.
No, that.
The gathering.
The CO2 will go.
Lanox.
Yeah.
Ah, it'll have some effect, I reckon.
It's reacting as assumption.
I'll just hold that for a sec. I reckon if we grab that, maybe not. Spray it from the other side as well. Might just be a question of leaving it sit for a bit. That doesn't stop us from doing what? Pulling the rest of it apart and servicing the rest of it.
Right, lose that. Stick that on the other cover.
Yeah, cool. Lovely.
Just do that.
Should be able to get that. Goopity goop. Yee, that's definitely had some life, hasn't it? So we need to get a set of grips for it.
Nasty shit.
That's totally crapped up.
Is that a snake?
What?
Oh, something moved. It looks like it looked like a set of scales.
Nice. Tasty.
Any windows you need to seal up?
No, but we do need to seal this carby up.
I've got some butyl rubber for you.
Nice. Speaking of which, if we grab that off,
It's a hex.
Yep, so... Sorry? Just checking on the workers here. That's the second cut. Get through there. Carby, I've removed this, which holds the rubber. I believe the rubber would have been bonded to that. So, I now have to rebond that somehow. So I'm going to glue it, and then I'm going to wrap it in magic tape. Hopefully hold it all together. Yeah, nice. And Ben's just cleaning out the throttle and the throttle stop body, which is also severely clagged up.
Bits and bobs.
But at least the cable's in good shape.
Spring's in good condition still, so
Yeah, nice.
no corrosion on that, just
Excellent.
a bit of goop.
Alrighty, I'm going to glue this together.
Would be good.
Toothbrush, there is one. Ready? What we've got here is a engine mount for the carby, and the rubber's separated. So we're going to do a belt and braces repair. Firstly, we're going to glue that onto there with an epoxy. Then we're going to wrap it up with some amalgamating tape. So hopefully it does what it needs to. So firstly, we want to be ready. Enough to cut this off if we need to. Acetone. It's just the pop top one.
Just rip it off.
Hey, there we go. So I'm going to clean the surfaces with the acetone. Oh fuck, I can feel that in all the cuts. So, in theory, this stuff will work.
And I'm not saying I won't, I'm just saying where's the incentive?
So the plan
You
was
could
to
have it
use
outside, but you don't want to get any
epoxy
damage. But
and glue this on, but the epoxy's fucked. So, plan B
yeah, it's just,
is to just use amalgamating tape.
you need to, like,
So we want to set it up,
go to here.
looking at the
This
witness
is the
marks.
cable, so
1,
you can have
2,
this somewhere clever on your.
in there. Happy days.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, look, you can. It just needs to be the first thing, really, that anything goes through, because it needs to be the thing that's counting
Could
everything.
amalgamating
If you've got anything
tape
at
be
the other
used
side, you miss
on-
what's going on.
A speedo drive cable in a boat.
Probably.
And does it have shrinking
Yeah, so
capacity
it's just
when heat is applied?
battery only charging. Yeah, so that goes like that, in, out, and then it's all Bluetooth and connects to your phone and counts everything for you.
Happen. You need to get it to overlap. Once it reaches itself,
And this is the actual Bluetooth unit on this one. So this does have
Then it
to be connected
starts
to
to
Bluetooth. My other one that doesn't
hold.
have the gauge, the Bluetooth is on here. I found that a bit odd, but what they didn't just use the same bit and that's the gauge. It's different.
And is it watertight?
it is.
But,
And it's also pressure safe.
oh, actually, yeah, it's probably the shunts. Both of them are actually the best. The DC to DC charger has the weakest range.
So to
The-
some
the
extent
solder's
it's
pretty
kind
good.
of like heat shrink, but tape
And
to some extent.
it forms a single single
Solder.
item, so it amalgamates itself into a single piece. So that now, once it sets off,
That's cool.
well, 950 psi, 8,000 volts insulation, 500F heat resistant, and yeah, so you can repair water hoses with it, all sorts of stuff.
Cool.
And so that's just going to set up into a hard rubber.
And does that chemically bond to the rubber as the
It bonds to
or
itself.
it bonds to itself? Yeah.
Yeah. So it's fine up until it touches itself.
No.
Then I think about you
We can undo
and
that.
touch myself.
Whatever you're into.
Yeah. And Japanese for sure. So that is now our throttle body interface resolve fixture. If you try to peel that off now, it just won't come off. And over a few minutes, it turns into a hard gump of gump. And I've left the clamping band clear, which will hold the carby. That should be good.
Sweet.
One quick fix.
Rockstar.
Good one to have in your toolbox if you're travelling too. Have you seen this stuff shown? Rescue tape. Managed to get that loose, but it's still pretty tight, which means there's a bit of crap or something on the shaft. So I think we might try to release the butterfly, which can be risky. With that, actually. I don't like my chances with that.
Is that right tight? You want a 2? Number 2?
Yeah, I think it's just not.
Don't
sitting.
want to. Sorry, you want to.
Well, now it's moving. I might try and get more kill rust then.
Are you?
Alright, we're going to soak this in vinegar overnight, which hopefully will get us a bit of aggressive rust disintegration. Hopefully, anyway. Alright, so this is the spring that we've got. I've just gone and picked up some springs from the shop. So this is just some spring steel. So now the job will be to coil up a spring out of this stuff, hopefully. I've just got to find a handle to spin it on, and then see how we go. Wish me luck. Alright, so I found a bolt which is almost perfect for the job. Look at that. So if I can use that as my mandrel, I should be golden. Alright, so got some bicycle tires. Alright, got a little bit of cleanup to do. Before we reassemble. And this is the spring that I've made. It looks a bit ugly. See if I can't make it a little bit straighter.